The TV volume is very high.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Jason, the neighbors can hear you in Spain.
Good! They should know Portugal is going to the final.
I just got that!
Portugal is in the World Cup final.
Against Argentina.
Did we win?
You wake up! Ronaldo is going to the World Cup final!
I knew it.
The final. Qatar. 1 week.
Tickets are sold out. Completely.
Everything is sold out until it isn't.
That is not how that works.
In 2016, I told your mother I was going to marry her.
That is not the same thing, Jason.
I want to go. I want to give Ronaldo my drawing.
Jason, it's midnight.
Go back to sleep.
You're refreshing a ticket website.
That is a form of work.
If we don't get tickets...
We'll get tickets. I'm not letting him down.
Papa,
Start packing, son.
I'm not crying.
All right, let's get these suitcases packed for the football final.
I'll pack the clothes. You two get your toys.
I'm packing my football. I can't wait. I have my socks and my doll.
Great job, team.
Papa, is this real?
Yes, buddy.
Like actually real?
Actually real.
A crunching tackle in the middle, and the ball breaks loose. Number 20 drives forward. What a burst of speed. He's past the first man, racing down the wing now. A real chance here. Ronaldo under pressure from both defenders here. He shields it, a quick turn, and he's away. What a burst of speed. A classic Ronaldo escape. The crowd is on its feet.
What a victory! Fireworks light up the sky as the players celebrate on the pitch. The stands is over the moon, waves and flags. This is a night to remember for everyone.
He's not worried.
How do you know?
I told you.
Hey,
Hi,
you stayed very late.
I wanted to give you something. Ayla,
You put yourself next to me.
because I'm your biggest fan.
What's your name?
Eli.
Keep drawing. Keep making things.
I'm glad Dad got the tickets.
Me too, baby.
He kept the drawing.
He did.
Ugh.
Are you happy now?
Thank you very much, Papa. Because of you, I met Ronaldo.